Okay, so what I understand from Alton to Farmington, pretty much, is all a construction zone. The speed limit's 45 miles an hour when the sign is flashing. The sign was flashing in Alton. So, I was going 45 miles an hour on Route 11, all the way to a little past Davis Crossroad, heading towards Rochester. This state trooper every morning pulls out off of Davis Crossroad onto Route 11 and then heads down, like either down towards the city of Rochester or down Route 16. Well, he was probably 5 or 6 cars behind me, and people started passing me, and then I figured, okay, he's either going to pull me over for going 45, wondering what I'm doing, because normally nobody follows the fucking speed limits, and he didn't. Instead, he passed me, so fuck it. I'm going the speed limit, and I'm going to just go the regular posted 55 mile an hour speed limit, which is what you can see I'm approximately doing. And yeah, I'll present this video if anybody ever wants to argue with me about it.